Hello everyone, this is V Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Meal, and I was so surprised, you guys. She definitely surprised me. I was not expecting this. This is the Polka Dot Pinecone Monty. She recently won my giveaway, and she sent me something, and I can't believe it. I could not believe it. She sent me something. Oh my god. Okay, so she also sent a card here, so I'm gonna go ahead and read that. Okay, I read the card, you guys, and she's thanking me for going the extra mile on the sleigh that I sent her. And so, you guys, she sent me Snowflake. She heard me mention that it's my favorite, which it is right now. It was Snow and Cocoa, but after looking at, I'm playing with Snowflake last year and this year, it has become my favorite because it has pastels and it also has traditional, so it has a mixture of both, and you could go either route with it. So it's such a cute collection. I love it. And she sent me what she had in her stash, which is this right here, the stencil. It's metal as well, you guys. It's a metal stencil. It's so pretty. I love it. And then she sent me 4 pieces of cardstock, and they're front and back. Look how beautiful that is. Monty, oh my goodness, she did not have to. And then I'm gonna cover this just slightly. She sent me glittered cardstock, but it's not your traditional glittered cardstock. It's more like a metallic glittered cardstock. And then I'm gonna do this because of the lighting. It's messing it up. So she sent this right here. This paper is like a crocodile style paper, and look at these colors. It just shines. There's blues, purples, and I see pinks in there and greens. There's so much. It's so pretty. And then she sent me this red, and it's beautiful, you guys. It's smooth. It's just so smooth. Look at that. And then she sent me brown. She also sent me purple. She sent me this deep blue, and she also sent me a gold. Look how beautiful. And it's just very smooth. So she sent me this. Thank you so much, Monty. I appreciate you so much, and definitely will be using the Snowflake. Oh my goodness. You just tugged at my crafty heart. I love Snowflake, you guys, and I have a swap coming up soon, so I'm not gonna put that in because it's gonna be hard. And then, you guys, I got a package from Lue, you guys. Lue, what have you sent me, Lue? Girl, sister Lue, what did you send me? I was so surprised. I could not believe she didn't say anything. Didn't warn me. I had no idea, but I love what she did. She used the Dollar Tree bags. Oh, I smell that. That smells good. Dollar Tree bags, and she inserted it all. She put all of the Happy Meal in here, and then she put it in the envelope. Okay, so it smells really good. I see a card. Whoa, I see markers. Oh my goodness, Lou, you sent so much. Look at all this. Okay, let me get this fixed here. See what's going on. Okay, I want to show you guys what else Lou sent me. She sent me this cute card for Christmas. It's such a cute little card. And my desk is a little bit off. Here we go. Look at that. So cute. I love it. I love it. And in gold. And then along with her card, she sent some tags. So I'm just going to cover the letter. And on the back, she has this right here. This is the stable for the birth of Christ. Love it so much. And then she sent some tags, and I love this one right here. This one is my absolute favorite. Such a cute card. I love the gold. I love the star. And then a little tiny truck. I love this. It's paper clip. Such a cute little truck with a tree and a snowflake. Thank you so much, Lue, for thinking about me. I appreciate you so much, girl. Thank you so much for this. Lue, girlfriend, you sent so much. Okay, let's read the card. Card. Where is the card? Here we are. I made such a mess. Look how beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, let's see. Guys, she is so sweet. She sends the most thoughtful gifts. Okay, she sent me supplies for Bible study. And this is amazing. Okay, so she sent me some Illustrates Faith, which these are the washi. And that's so, I love that. So I could like decorate my book. She sent me, I think, a planner with the, oh my goodness, with the little clip. This is so amazing. I could put everything that I need to do there. And then she sent me some Illustrate Faith. And, oh my goodness. I could decorate my notebooks, you guys. I'm just like, what? I have loved you with an everlasting love. Jeremiah 3:13. And it's a journal, you guys. This is so amazing. Look at that. Amazing. Then she sent me some, I think these are teas, and I love how she did this. So I love both. And I love coffee. She sent me some more coffee. She sent me a little caramel. She sent me some herbal tea because I do drink tea as well. And she sent me some monk fruit and I've never tasted this. I always use stevia. I've never tasted that one. I'm gonna have to taste that. And then another, oh, this is black tea. Ooh, definitely gonna try that one. And a honey stick. This is amazing. And then yes, some cocoa. I love Swiss Miss. This is definitely up my alley. Thank you so much, Lue. Okay, you guys. She sent some, my goodness, girl, you are out of this world. She sent some gel pens, which I love gel pens. She also sent, no, she did not. She made me a bookmark with a pen. Look at that beautiful light pink pen. Oh my goodness, Lue. This is amazing. She sent me a pen. She sent me a bookmark, and it comes with a magnet, which is amazing. Oh, I love what she's done. This is so thoughtful. Oh, look what she sent here. She sent a little pack. And let's see what's in here. It says, God is love, grace. Oh my goodness, what's in here? I think a little card she made. This is so cute. Look how cute this little card is. Oh my goodness, Lue, you're amazing. You are amazing. Another card. Oh, this is a little like card kit. I love that little Santa. He's so cute. And then she sent me some, oh, these are like, what are these called again? The page markers. Oh, and they have a sticky back. You could stick it to a journal or something. Lue, I need to do this. I need to. Oh my goodness. This is so thoughtful. Okay, you're a blessing. I love this card. You are a blessing. Rejoice in his word. I love her cards. This is so amazing. And thoughtful, Lue. My presence will go with you and I will give you rest. Exodus 33:14. Definitely. Definitely. And then this one's like the alphabet. And it's a postcard. It says blessings. And this one says, let us fix our eyes on Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith. Hebrews 12:2. My goodness, you guys, this is amazing. I love everything. She sent a little pocket here, and it has a magnet, and it says God is love. This is such a thoughtful gift, Lou. Amazing. And then some more stickers that I could decorate with. And then she sent me some quick drying markers. They're couture. So pretty. I love the designs. And then a pin, and I love it. Let me see how it writes, because I love pins. It has to be the right pin, you guys. Let's see here. Let's write gel. It writes pretty good. Pen. I love it. Jot. Let's write jot. That's so cool. I love it. Okay, love the pen. Let's try this one. Lou, you're amazing. Lou, you're amazing. Thank you so much. The last thing is these stickers, and they're pink. After my heart, because I love it, and I love this. Love, love, love. Girl, this was so thoughtful, Lou. You're really getting me. Planting the seeds, girl. Planting the seeds. No, for reals. This is thoughtful, and it's just a jump start to get me going, and I love it, and I'm so excited to use this and then show you what I've done, because I mean, I have to share with you, because there's no way I couldn't, because this is just so thoughtful and amazing. And look at this. Did we go over this? I don't even know if we did, but I could put this on my desk. It says blessed, and put my coffee or drink on it, and I love it. A coaster. So cute. Well, thank you. I appreciate both ladies. Monti, amazing gift, so generous and thoughtful. Both are thoughtful in different ways, and they both got just tugged at my crafty heart. Oh my goodness. Thank you both ladies. I have to do something for you guys soon. As soon as these holidays are over, I'm gonna have to think of something. So thank you so much, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I did. And follow them. I will have them linked below. Lou has an Instagram, and Monti has both Instagram and YouTube. So check them out. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, you guys. Bye.